Friends, as you all know that today we all have gathered here to celebrate the International Ozone Day. International Ozone Day is every year celebrated on 16th September in order to make people aware of the effects of the depletion of ozone layer and the need to preserve the ozone layer. First of all, as we all are seeing everything around us, it is due to the sunlight. Do you know what are the three components of the sunlight? Sunlight is made up of three major components. Do you know what these three major components are? Let me tell you. The sunlight is made up of three major components: IR or infrared, visible light and the UV rays. IR and visible light is very helpful for us. But if we talk about the UV rays, they are harmful. But if we use in less quantity, they are used for the preparation of vitamin D. Also, in large quantities, it can cause skin cancer, cataract and many other diseases. So, all living organisms will get affected if the UV rays will come to us. In order to save ourselves from the UV rays, we need something. That something is nothing but the ozone layer. The ozone layer, this one, which protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. But due to the continuous harmful activities of the human beings, the ozone layer is depleting and it has get a hole in it, whose size is increasing day by day. And this increase in the size is letting UV rays come to us, which cause skin cancer. We need to preserve this ozone layer in order to save ourselves and all the other living organisms. The other human activities due to which CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, are released into the atmosphere cause a lot of effect to the ozone layer and has created this hole from where the ultraviolet rays comes and affect the earth, all the living organisms. At last, I only want to say that we should preserve our country. And also, in 1983, a Montreal Protocol was started in which all the countries over the world took a significant step to preserve the ozone layer. At last, I hope that you all will stop your harmful activities which are causing depletion to our ozone layer. Thank you. Have a great day.
Good morning all of you. Today I am Lakshay with my co-mates standing in front of you to represent my model on ozone layer and for the preservation of ozone layer. Ozone layer is one of the most important components of Earth's environment, present in the stratosphere layer of its atmosphere. It protects us from the harmful radiations coming from sun and avoid the ultraviolet radiations, gamma rays, X-rays and other harmful radiations for our human life. Here we can also see the sun rays come from the sun penetrate in the ozone layer. But because of our day-to-day harmful activities deplete the ozone layer. Because of that, a hole is created in the ozone layer, from which harmful radiations are entering and reaching our planet Earth, which cause skin cancers and skin burns. So it is very important to help the ozone layer for making its cure. To help the ozone layer to cure it, we need to use chlorofluorocarbons or the CFCs, which is the main cause of its depletion. For this, we can avoid sprays and aerosols. Also, we can reduce the use of vehicles and also use of methyl bromide, which reacts with the O3 molecules of oxygen for the depletion of oxygen and ozone layer. Thank you. Have a nice day and happy Ozone Day.